Welcome dear viewers. You have to go your dashboard and choose a pages where you want to put your metadata. You know metadata is important whenever search people about one things. That time if your page is ranked, that time the metadata shows the first issues of the posters are searching things such as like people 20 price in Bangladesh reviews about phone Vivo, or Vivo is a company of India, is internationally selling in both countries, neighborhood countries, especially Bangladesh have a huge marketing in mobile sections. For that reasons, you have to write a post about mobile. Though this is very competitive and competitions, though if you use different types of keywords and also different types of SEO, by that way you can write here metadata. Especially metadata is very important for any post and also SEO. Whenever you use for the metadata, you have to, of course, you have to use the search engine optimizations plugin. I here use some of issues for using the metadata. Also, you can use without using the plugin, but that's will be very difficult for using that. You know, that's very simple works, but here I express about the metadata how you can write. Just go to the your post where you want to specifically write the metadata. You have to go the post and scroll down after there, and here you will see the metadata descriptions. Metadata descriptions is those descriptions, just 3 or 5 words will be the most important, but 1 to 10 words also be very important for metadata. That will be very unique, and also you have to write the adjustable with your post, which post you are posting in your website. Especially the metadata is very important for every post, every single site, because in the URL, whenever one viewers or any other searcher search in the Google or any other website, that time your metadata will shown first in your articles metadata. Okay, for the reasons it's a very important to write the metadata. Here I'm showing just telling about what's the metadata and how you can use these and how you can post in your post, and also how you can write that. Specifically, this metadata contain lots of vital important rules in your blog post. So remember that all time metadata is not important, but some specific time it's contain much value of the post, and for that reasons you can know about the more search on the other videos in other persons who are taking about that, and I hope that will be very important for your. Here you are watching that there are lots of way you can write the metadata, but I hope this this video will be help you to write the metadata in the right way. So in direct post, you just go there and use different types of uh, SEO and tags with similarly with your post. And also in the meta descriptions, you have to write the main themes in 6 to 8 words. That will be better for descriptions in your metadata. So I here write different kinds of words and observe which will be rank up my post. And I show here that's 1 to 10 words, which is keywords you can use in your blog post, so that words will be very vital, and that will be rank up your post, and every person should be know about your post in 1 to 10 search boxes. Whenever searching, whenever they are find out about the topics, that time your topics will become, your post will become in 1 to 5 posts. Okay, I observe this because they also show the main theme of your post, and also watch the metadata, what actually it will. For that reasons, they will go to their post and go to the articles. So by that way, you can easily confirm your metadata whenever you write. Specifically, you write in a single post, or you can write in quick edit in your metadata. Whenever you go to the quick edit, that time you will write quickly to your metadata what actually you want to explain, or you want to express your post in the metadata. So I hope this video will help you little bit, and you can know more about the metadata if you go more research. And according to my concept, that's you have to use the suitable and the perfect keywords adjustable your post and your articles. I think it will help me. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. If you new, just subscribe my channel, and you can also do for here. Okay.